HMRC are going to raid your bank account if you don't pay your tax bill. Right, let's think about, is this practical? Is it going to actually happen? And how are they going to do it? So they're doing it because they want to obviously reduce the amount of tax avoidance that's around. They've had this in before, I think it was in about 2015, and they stopped it because of COVID. Now, I don't know anybody who's actually had their bank account raided. Let me know if you know anybody. I personally don't. They're obviously trying to come up with some more methods to get that tax in. So let's think about it. If you have an offshore account, I'm not sure if they're going to be able to recover it or not from you. And if you're not paying it, I'm assuming that you don't have any money in your bank account, so you might not even be able to make the tax bill anyway if there's a big issue. They've also mentioned about recovering via your PAYE code, so that's your pay-as-you-earn code, which you'll only be taxed on, obviously, if you're employed. So if you're not employed, and I guess the thing is here, if we think about it reasonably, if you're employed, most of your tax is collected at source, unless you've got loads of income coming from other areas. So I'm assuming most of the people who are going to be affected with having massive tax bills that they can't pay are not paying pay-as-you-earn tax anyway. So I don't really think that's that realistic. If you can't pay your tax bill, just ring them up and get a payment plan, because this will save all this hassle.